Miss Sneha, you are appearing for Exim Bank interview on which date and in which place?
So I'm appearing for Exim Bank on 23rd January in Delhi,
Acha, you are a participant from which state?
Uttar Pradesh.
Acha, which part of Uttar Pradesh?
Sir, Varanasi, Chandauli
Oh,
district basically.
oh, great, 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 great. You are from Varanasi. Great.
Yes.
Lucky
So
people.
not particularly not from Varanasi. I am from Mughal Sarai, it's just 10 kilometers from Varanasi.
Have you visited the Varanasi Shiv Vishwanath temple?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How many times?
So I don't remember, maybe more than 50 times.
Acha, when was it constructed? Any idea?
So no, sir, I don't remember exactly.
Acha, what is the relevance of Varanasi
So
to our
basically,
country's economy?
so it nowadays Varanasi is contributing more into tourism because of the new corridor, Vishwanath corridor constructed by our government. It is bringing more of tourism, and apart from that, it has also contributed in handicraft items. For example, Varanasi sari is famous all over the world, and Zardozi work artisans is also very much famous. We are also exporting this in various other countries also. And Exim Bank has also promoted this Banarsi silk sari export through its GRID program, that is grassroots initiative development program. Apart from that, Varanasi beads is also very famous. The beads which are made from various material like glass, plastics, and glasses, which are also exported in many countries like China, which are used for making jewelries. Apart from that, uh, so that's all I can recall right now.
Good. Sneha, please tell us about yourself. Is this your first or second mock with me?
Second mock, sir.
Please tell us about yourself.
Okay, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity for introducing myself. My name is Kumari Sneha. I am born and brought up in Mughal Sarai. I have completed my schooling from Mughal Sarai, and I have completed
Hello.
Hello.
Why
Am I audible?
your line got disconnected? Please, are you using mobile data?
No, sir. Wi-Fi I'm using.
But why it is getting disconnected? So please talk,
Sorry.
talk.
Okay, sir. After completing my MBA Finance, I was placed in EdTech company where I worked as business development executive for 2 years. Then after I left that job and started preparing for government exams, mainly focusing banking exams.
Good. You were working in which company for 2 years? What was the role you were playing?
So I was working in Extra Marks Education Private Limited, where my role was to sell their courses to the students after their counseling.
Mhm.
That's all.
Which type of courses you were selling?
So their courses were basically pen drive courses, apps, and tablet courses where they were focusing from kindergarten to 12th, and also they were providing foundation courses for NEET and JEE. So
I-
these all
i- Is the
courses where we
company
were trained.
is the company working now also?
Yes, sir. But now they are mainly focusing in JEE and NEET courses.
Oh, oh, excellent. Good. No problem. So you are MBA finance student.
Yes, sir.
What do you understand by term loan? What is term loan? And before sanctioning term loan, what are the factors a banker should take note of?
So term loan is the loan provided to the borrowers for a particular period of time, mainly from ranging from 1 to 3 years, and the rates also differ depending upon the tenure for which the money is being borrowed. And the consideration factor which are considered before giving providing term loans are their profitability, their secure safety of the loan, and like they assess the balance sheet of the company. If the borrower is having a business, and if not, if the borrower is a salaried person, then ITR is considered to uh, to make sure that the borrower is having the repayment capacity. And if the borrower is a corporate, working in corporate or having a businesses, then several ratios are also taken into consideration after seeing their balance sheet, like DSCR ratio is considered, ISC interest coverage ratio is seen, and apart from that, the liquidity is also been analyzed by checking their uh, current
Sneha,
ratio, liquid ratio. And
Sneha,
yes, sir.
you omitted one very, very important point. Term loan is given for acquisition of fixed assets.
Okay, sir.
That is, as a banker, you must be able to highlight about there are different types of financing. This is a term loan means you have to check up what is the asset they are going to buy or construct, and what
Okay.
about the technical viability report, whether it is really worth it, whether the company will be able to produce surplus. You should check up about the cash flow statement, satisfy yourself
Mm.
like that. You must tell. I asked that question only for a term loan. We have to check up the technical viability, economic feasibility, and also whether the assets that are being purchased to support the price, suitable documents to be obtained. Supposing you want to buy some tractors, you should obtain the
Yes.
pro forma invoice of those tractors and all that. Doesn't matter. Now,
Okay.
can you please tell me what is packing credit?
Yes, a packing credit is provided to the exporter for financing their expense of packaging their goods which are meant to be exported into different countries. So Exim Bank also provide pre-packaging loans apart from pre-packaging and post-packaging, pre-shipment and post-shipment finance. And in that pre-shipment finance, they also provide packaging finance. So this is known as packaging finance.
What is Ubarite Sitare program?
But this Sitare program is one of a financial product provided by Exim Bank, where they support such initiatives, such small businesses which are having potentials, which are having good export potentials in near future, and they also provide economic financial assistance. Apart from them, they also provide various informations, export related informations, and some marketing advisory services is also provided under Ubharte Sitare program. And so
What
far
is
the
what
Exim
what
Bank
is
has
your what is your father?
my father is a businessman.
What business is
he is
he doing?
dealing he is dealing in photography materials, and he's a dealer of printers, various cameras, and other photography materials.
What have you done to improve your knowledge regarding Exim in the last year? They are
So
asking
last year,
such
I have
question. In the question, they are asking like this: what have you done to know more about Exim Bank?
so last year when I came to know about this notification of Exim Bank vacancy, I started preparing for it by visiting the website of Exim Bank, looking after various mm, new news related to export import, and the I have also gone through the syllabus provided by the Exim Bank for this particular job role.
What relevant work experience do you have to match this career?
Okay, sir. So, as my previous job, I have dealt with various clients, which were basically students, and I have understood their needs and needs about their courses, and also suggested them. So my skill is to understand, to listen to their problems and providing them solution to the students. So this skill can also be used in this organization, wherein I can understand the needs and requirements of the client and provide them suitable uh, financial products which are available in our Exim Bank.
Mhm.
So that's all.
What is LRS? Expand LRS in terms of foreign exchange in India. I think this set of questions I have given to you.
LR,
L- LRS, Liberalized Remittance System.
sorry sir, I don't have any idea about this term. I
Why?
need to study more.
It's a very famous one. In the year 1991, the country was thrown open to globalization. During Narasimha Rao was the Prime Minister, Manmohan Singh was the Finance Minister. You must know about liberalized remittance system, according to which people were allowed to remit up to 2,50,000 for certain approved purposes without permission from Reserve Bank of India.
Okay sir.
What is meant by CRR?
CRR basically stands for cash reserve ratio. It is the ratio which all the banks are meant to be maintained with the RBI, and
How
it is
much?
a mandatory
How
ratio.
much it is? How much
Four
it is?
percent.
4%
4%.
of 4% of what?
4% of NDTL, that is net demand and time liability.
Good, very good. Can you tell me something about derivative types? You know what is meant by derivative?
Uh,
No idea.
Derivatives.
Please tell me.
Derivative.
Yeah, please prepare about that. Please tell me what
Okay
is
sir.
the foreign exchange reserve of our country.
Foreign exchange reserve is so that is approximately 650 uh, billion US dollar.
Very good. Correct. Now, can you talk to me 1 minute on ECGC?
ECGC. Um, so I have not much about that, but I will try.
Tell.
ECGC stands for Export
Hmm.
Credit Guarantee. Is Export Credit Guarantee Corporation. It provides insurance to the exporter for their uh, products, and it also provides various documents, like it also provides IEC codes to the exporter,
Wrong,
which
wrong,
are.
wrong, wrong, wrong. Please go to google.com or ChatGPT. Search,
Yes sir.
tell me briefly about ECGC. One paragraph it will give. Mug up that one.
Okay sir.
What is a letter of credit?
So a letter of credit is an instrument which is issued by a borrower, sorry, which is issued by a importer on behalf of the exporter, and it plays like a guarantee to the exporter that their it plays like a guarantee to the exporter as well as the importer, and it makes a surety that the exporter will receive their amount after the shipment of their goods, and it also gives surety to the importer that they will receive their goods after the payment.
Letter of credit is issued by whom?
It's issued by the issuing bank in borrower's country.
Issuing bank is not an answer. Importer's bank.
Sorry, importer's bank in the importer's country.
What is guarantee?
Ex- uh, so, um, mm, Bank guarantee. Bank guarantee is a promise given by a bank which comes into role, which is encashed when the borrowers get default, and when the borrowers fails in completing their financial obligations.
Good. Now, what do you understand by post shipment credit?
Post shipment credit is provided to the uh, exporters when they have already shipped their goods and they have not yet received their money. So to
Ex-
provide a
Expand
cash flow and
I
liquidity,
expand IBC.
IBC stands for Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code. It
What
provides
is
a complete.
what for Surface Act is used?
SURFACE Act is used as uh, it empowers the lenders, that is banks, to auction the borrower's property when they fail to fulfill their financial obligation, then when they get defaults without the
No,
intervention
no.
of court.
It gives powers to bank to sell the mortgaged property, not everything.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
yes, sir.
good.
So
Not
sell the
bad.
mortgage
Not bad.
property.
Not bad. You have been doing very well. I am happy. Last question. Tell me about any new information you have learned about Exim Bank or about exports.
Uh, So the export in the recent news, I have read that export has gone down by 1%. And apart from that, I have also read that recently bank on 7th January 2025. This is the recent news which I have seen on Exim Bank website, that bank has raised uh, 1 billion unsecured bonds, and it has become first uh, first organization to do so. And apart from that, bank has also opened a new uh, overseas branch in Kenya, Nairobi, and apart from that, bank has
Expand,
also appointed.
expand. What is NABFID?
Uh,
It's a big organization. Please get to know about it.
okay, sir. I need to
Very,
read about it more.
yeah, best wishes. Please go through only the questions I have given in the WhatsApp, and if you prepare for that, you will succeed. Best wishes. You did well.
Okay, sir. So I
Please
have certain questions.
attend the interview. Send the questions they are asking. What is the question you have?
Sir, in my last mock, you have asked me one question, that if you are given an opportunity to join as corporate in corporate or in rural uh, area. So what
Hmm.
should I answer that question?
No,
How should I tackle that question?
you can choose anyone and say you can say corporate, because that is the Exim Bank will be dealing more with corporates, and they will be doing more of exports, and it will help our economy more. So I would like to join that one. Or if you want to choose rural, I come from a rural area, and rural
Mm,
artisans also play an important role. So,
mm.
whatever extent we can help, I would like to help rural people. So, I would
Okay.
like to join rural. Anything you can tell.
So under banking operations, are they also allowed to provide credit? So are the basic role under banking operation of a deputy manager?
You mean in, say, in the Exim Bank, you will be in charge of processing the proposals
Okay.
given by the people. Of course, you will
Mm,
have standard norms prescribed for this, guidance prescribed for
mm.
this. They may be having certain software for using all that. Using that, you will analyze them and then process the proposal, disperse them
Okay.
also.
So we are not having that power to allow credit. We are not working as a credit officer, right, sir?
No, you will not have any
Okay.
powers, at least for next few years. You will be in a
Okay, sir.
position where you will be processing the proposal, putting up to your higher authorities and board for
Mm.
sanction.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
So hello,
Hmm,
hello.
hmm,
So one more question. So
hmm.
Exim Bank comes under which ministry?
The Ministry of Finance, na? Corporate.
Yes, sir. In one interview, I you have asked such questions, so the answer was wrong, so I got confused.
Mhm.
It comes under
Mini-
ministry. Okay.
Ministry of Corporate
Finance ministry.
Finance. That is
Oh,
Nirmala Sitharaman.
okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
You can see it here, na, organization. Mm,
Yes, sir.
About us, you go through that and see. If I am
Okay, sir.
wrong, correct it yourself. No problem.
No, sir, you are right. I have gone through it, but just to become double sure, I am asking.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you,
Always
sir.
you. Very good. Very good. You are a better candidate. I wish you success.
So
Please
can I
attend.
get my score? How much score would you give me out of 10?
I will give you easily 9 out of 10.
Thank you, sir.
Best wishes. Thank you.